Well, in May 1996, we engaged in a quick and exhausting world tour. We knocked on the door of many of the chief executive officers of major airlines, and we received an extremely warm support in the USA, in Europe, and in Asia.
A new way of working by integrating engineering, industrial, financial, and marketing activities. All these disciplines were under one roof. From day one, we worked with third parties, essential third parties, all above airlines. We started with 15 airlines, with potential suppliers, with authorities. We worked with airports. So all the important third parties were included from day one.
Airline teams were designated to work with us. Airline specialists share their experience, they explain their expectations. And on our side, our specialists presented the challenges and presented solutions. This cooperation lasts until today.
The A380 project is now becoming the A380 program.
Airbus officially launched its ambitious plans to put the biggest commercial plane ever built into the skies.
Super jumbo da 800 posti del consorzio europeo Airbus.
Airbus anunciam o A380.
Airbus has officially launched its ambitious plan.
Airbus a lancé aujourd'hui la construction de l'avion le plus grand de l'histoire sous le nom d'A380.